In most cases, the general public has little idea of the most popular products on the market. Most of the time, they stay out of sight. At this very now, this is taking place. At this very moment, almost $1 trillion is at danger. Still, we can't go to the moon any other way. Are you not convinced? Next up, I will show you that you are incorrect. For the whole cryptocurrency industry, today is a watershed moment. Important notice, something terrible has occurred, and the Shiba Inu price has dropped dramatically as a result of the ongoing collapse of the cryptocurrency market. The Bitcoin ETF's bad. Yesterday's inflows were made public. Outflows of $65 million today mean we've broken our 19-day stretch of inflows. A great deal of excitement had been building up as a result of this unprecedented run of inflows. It seemed like there was only one direction to go from here up. Unfortunately, the crypto market has saw an abrupt plunge. I feel bad for everyone, but notably for those who put a lot of money in during the inflows anticipating a steady upswing. On the other hand, consider this crucial. A few. Others are thinking this might be nothing more than a flush. When the stakes are so high and everyone is believing it, the major players feel the urge to make some changes. They hope to eliminate smaller investors and increase their influence during the next bull run by doing this. Just follow these steps. A lot of people get excited when the price goes up because it means a lot more people are buying. The whales, or the major players, see this as a chance to cash in. A significant portion of their assets may be sold off by them, leading to a precipitous decline in price. Smaller investors may panic and liquidate their shares as a result of this unexpected decline. The major participants then increase their stakes at a bargain by purchasing back in at these lower prices. What transpired in 2017 was quite comparable. The enormous bull run caused Bitcoin's price to soar. The price sank substantially after multiple quick declines, though, which shook out less experienced traders. After each setback, the price would rise again, helping individuals who hung on or purchased the dips. This flush event may be a short-lived dip in an otherwise bull market, so although many are struggling at the moment, it may not last forever. The outcome will be determined by the passage of time. It's unfortunate that normal investors, particularly those investing in Shiba Inus, can be so rattled by these kinds of things. With a 7% drop in Shiba Inu this week, the effect is clearly seen. Without a doubt, manipulating the market in this way is harmful. It exploits smaller investors sowing doubt and panic, and can cause people who can't afford them to lose a lot of money. These tactics can't be modified or stopped easily, despite being unethical. Big companies have the resources and capacity to affect prices in the mostly uncontrolled market. Higher machinations can cause these oscillations to work for them, while smaller investors usually end up paying the price. This time around, hedge funds and Wall Street corporations are betting on a decline in Bitcoin values by progressively taking short positions on Bitcoin futures contracts, according to an analyst on X. This strategy is quite risky, even though they may be maintaining long spot market positions to profit from fee discrepancies. These companies risk enormous losses if prices suddenly spike. Currently, there are $12 billion worth of short positions on Bitcoin futures, spanning from the present price point to just above all-time highs, as reported in trader notes and exchange data. The fact that these hedge funds are willing to risk $12 billion demonstrates how seriously they take their pessimistic position. This strategy runs the risk of spectacularly backfiring, given that major Wall Street players are short Bitcoin. At this very moment that is taking place, the markets. The reaction to these short positions has made for an unpredictable scenario where individuals betting against Bitcoin run the risk of suffering massive losses in the event of an unforeseen price spike. Everything is on the line, and the consequences are becoming clear as we speak. Still, trading Bitcoin futures by hedge funds isn't exactly groundbreaking. Hedge funds often purchase an asset on the spot market and simultaneously short its futures. They take advantage of the disparities in prices through this carry trade. In the world of conventional finance, this strategy is prevalent and has yielded good results. But Bitcoin is its own unique creature. The conventional banking system isn't the only place this new asset class can be found. This means that standard approaches may not yield the desired results. Massive losses can befall these hedge firms if Bitcoin's price deviates from expected patterns. Due to the extreme volatility and lack of predictability in the Bitcoin market, the stakes are extremely high. Such a wager against Bitcoin by hedge funds is a huge risk. The financial consequences may be severe if things don't work out. These changes have had a profound effect on Shiba Inus. Since Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency exchange-traded fund ETF available at the moment, these hedge funds can only speculate with Bitcoin. Little investors are freaking out because hedge funds are trying to lower the price of Bitcoin by shorting its futures contracts. When people start selling their Shiba Inu cryptocurrency for a pitiful price, the fear usually spreads to the rest of the market. Now, though, this is intriguing. Keep in mind that I warned you about the potential flush event that might happen at any moment. This is a monumental finding, I tell you. The on-chain analytics and tracking solution was only introduced today. In an article on X, Whale Alert brought attention to a major change. A significant movement featuring Robinhood was highlighted by them. Whale Alert reports that yesterday Robinhood sent $600 million worth of Shiba Inu, equivalent to $13.7 million, to a wallet address that is now unknown. Because of the huge quantity of assets transferred, the role became rather popular. Curiously, market participants who initially mistook the transaction for an exchange outflow ended up feeling bullish. Typically, when such funds leave the market, selling pressure decreases and confidence rises, especially in downtrends. Upon additional examination, it was discovered that this action was actually Robinhood's internal money shuffle. Robinhood genuinely owns the receiver wallet, even though Whale Alert marked it as unknown. The second largest holding on the site, with 3.4 trillion Shiba Inu and a value of nearly $78 million, is held by this wallet. Arkham Intelligence, a crypto monitoring resource, has also reported other Shiba Inu movements by Coinbase in the past 24 hours in addition to the Robinhood transaction. The most noteworthy of these transactions occurred yesterday when a Coinbase hot wallet received 5.55 trillion Shiba Inu, which is worth more than $126 million. In 8 distinct transactions, the US-based exchange sent 417 billion to 468 billion Shiba Inu tokens to different wallets. Coinbase oddly redirected the funds from an unknown address to a Coinbase 10 wallet in each of these transactions. Surprisingly, all 8 transactions happened in the course of 3 hours. After these deals went through, Coinbase 10 now has 4.5 trillion Shiba Inu, which is worth over $100 million. This wallet has strangely sent Shiba Inu tokens to addresses that aren't associated with Coinbase on a regular basis. It appears that Coinbase used the wallet to process customer withdrawal requests. Notably, a staggering 9.6 trillion Shiba Inus equals the sum of all Whale transactions from Coinbase and Robinhood in the past 24 hours. This amounts to nearly 2% of the total Shiba Inu population. At their present value of $215 million, these tokens constitute one of the biggest clusters of moves that has occurred recently. It is essential that individuals pay special attention to this exchange shuffle because it is one of the biggest clusters of moves this year. This action may be a strong indicator of the future of the cryptocurrency industry. Huge actions taken by prominent exchanges like Robinhood and Coinbase regarding Shiba Inu cryptocurrency may signal changes in market attitude or forthcoming trends. A lot of information about consumer habits and market demand comes from these kinds of conversations, so it may be a sign of upcoming price fluctuations or changes in investor behavior when they move huge amounts of a certain cryptocurrency. However, what is your view on the matter? Give your thoughts in the space provided. Your comment would be greatly appreciated. If you're interested in learning more, just click on one of the videos displayed. Here we are, at the conclusion of this video. Please hit the like button and drop a comment down below if you found the video entertaining. When it comes to the YouTube algorithm, this is a huge help. Further, we ask that you forward this video to everyone you know.